I'm Omole Emmanuel, and I'm about to present my capstone project called the Idea Launchpad. Firstly, what is the Idea Launchpad? It's a web-based platform designed to function as a pre-Kickstarter. It provides a space for founders to post their brand new ideas and get immediate community feedback before they invest significant time or money. Who is it for? Idea Launchpad was built to solve the specific problem. The platform is built for aspiring entrepreneurs, students, and hobbyists who have an idea but need a way to gauge public interest and build an initial community around their concept. For example, I'm a startup founder, and this is an app that will be very useful to me. Problem statement. Journey from a raw idea to a validated business is filled with uncertainty. Many founders struggle with the lack of early feedback and find it difficult to measure genuine interest in their concept. Existing crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter often have a high barrier to entry as they are geared towards projects that are already well developed. Idea Launchpad was built to solve this specific problem. The problem, like I mentioned, founders lack dedicated platforms for early stage feedback. It's difficult to gauge public interest before investing significant time and money. High barriers to entry on established crowdfunding sites like Kickstarter. The solution was to build an MVP of the Idea Launchpad platform in a condensed 7-week time frame. The focus was on delivering the most critical features for idea validation. For example, user accounts, idea posting, community feedback like comments and likes, mock donations to simulate final interest. So we have two personas in this project. We have the founder who has a new business concept and wants to get feedback, and the community member who is an enthusiast interested in new ideas. A lot of people like to use the next shiny tool and the latest tool in town. Those are the community members. So for the workflow, I will be showing you posting a new idea, liking, commenting, and making a mock donation, then viewing the updated feedback on the founder's profile. So this is going to be our founder's profile with Sarah Chen, and we can check. This is going to be our community member, Alex Rodriguez. So I'm going to post an idea. The idea title first, then the description of the idea. So now the idea has been posted. The Nomad Full You by Sarah Chen, and currently it has 0 likes, 0 pledged, 0 comments, $0 pledged, and this is the deploy site on Vessel. And this is Alex Rodriguez. We're going to go to the list of ideas. We have the Nomad Full You idea, which Sarah Chen uploaded, and we're going to like this idea, and we are also going to drop a well detailed comment. Post comments. So now we have a comment here, and we're also going to pledge $25. So now going back to Sarah Chen's account, we can go back to our profile, then go, and I believe this got increased from $100 to $125. That's the total ideas that have been pledged to all ideas. But now going back to the main idea, which is the Nomad Full You. Here we have the 1 comment, we have the 1 like, and we have the $25 that has been pledged. So that's everything about the workflows. Then the technology stack, I used React.js with Tailwind CSS. For the backend, I used Node.js with Express.js. For the database, I used MongoDB with Mongoose as the ORM, and for deployment, I deployed the backend on Render and the front end on Vessel. So project success. A fully developed and functional web application was completed within 7-week time frame. The MVP successfully meets all core requirements for idea posting, user engagement, and founder feedback. And one of the future enhancements that can be added to this application is the integration of an actual payment gateway such as paywall. Thank you. And that will be the end.